Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a shipping label right inside Shopify. If you've just set up your online store or you're fulfilling your very first order, this video will walk you through the entire process, step by step. No confusion, no missed details, just clear guidance. By the end, you'll be able to print a professional shipping label for your customers, saving you time and helping your orders look sharp and reliable. Let's jump in and get started. First, you want to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your control room for everything related to your store, where you manage products, orders, and settings. Having direct access to this page ensures any changes or setup you do today will be saved to your main account. Once you're at the admin area, look on the left-hand side for the Apps section. Apps are kind of like plugins for your Shopify site. They're what allow you to add extra features without needing to know any code. Go ahead and click Apps and then, in the search bar, type Shipping Label and press Enter. This will pull up several options, but we're going to focus on one that's reliable and easy to use for beginners called Aftership Shipping Plus Labels. It's popular for a reason. It guides you through the label creation process in a super straightforward way and is designed to integrate smoothly with your Shopify orders. When you spot Aftership Shipping Plus Labels, click to select it and then hit Install. Now, Shopify will walk you through the installation. This doesn't take long, but there are a few prompts you'll need to follow. Most apps ask for some basic permissions, and in this case, Aftership will also request your personal info so it can start your free trial. Fill out those details. Don't worry, this is just so the app can link to your store and keep everything secure. If you've ever installed an app on your phone, you'll see it's a pretty similar process. Click through, provide your info, and wait a few moments while everything loads. All right, with Aftership installed, you're ready to print your first real label. This is the exciting part. Right inside the app dashboard, look for the button that says Print a Real Label. This option is here so you can test out the process with an actual order, rather than just a mock-up or demo version. If you're feeling a bit nervous, don't worry. You can always do a practice run with a test order first just to get comfortable. Next up, click Create Order. Here, the app will ask you to provide some important information. You'll need to enter the shipping details for the customer, their address, preferred shipping method, package dimensions, and perhaps a tracking number if you're using one. Think of it like filling out a form at the post office. Accuracy is key because this info will show up on your label and help ensure packages arrive safely and on time. Take a moment to double-check those details before moving ahead. Once you've got everything filled out, click Next. Aftership will quickly generate your shipping label. You'll see a preview, and at this point, you're just one click away from printing it out and popping it on your package. And that's really it. You've created a professional shipping label all within Shopify, ready for your next order. I hope this walkthrough helped make shipping labels simple and stress-free for you. If you found the video useful, don't forget to tap the like button. And if you have any questions or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. For more Shopify tutorials and e-commerce tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more guides coming your way. Good luck with your store and happy shipping!